In this video, I want to show you how to use select by attribute function in ArcGIS Pro. So let's get started. In ArcGIS Pro, I have this land use land cover map that has been classified. The select by attributes function in ArcGIS Pro is very helpful where you have a lot of features and you want to isolate or select just specific feature. So it is very useful to get that done. So let me show you something. Here I have different land uses here. 1 represent water, 2 represent thick forest, and 4 represent flooded vegetation, and so forth. For example, let's assume I want to isolate or extract only water body, which is represented by Greek code 1. So to do that, this is what you need to do. Right click the layer and open the attributes table. In the attributes table, I have a field which is the Greek code. This Greek code ranges from 1 to 11, and if I want to isolate only the water body represented by 1, so select by attribute is the easiest way to get it done. And to do that, here is select by attribute. So click on select by attribute. It will open this page. Input rows. Input the layer from which you want to isolate a particular feature or attribute. Then the selection type, we have various selection type here. So let's go with new selection. And then here it's asking you from where, which of the field do you want to use. In this case, we want to use the Greek code. So here you click on the drop down and select the specific field from where you want to select the attributes. So I'm using Greek code, and here we have this function. Click on the drop down whether the feature you want to select is equal to, depending on the functions you want to use to select the particular feature you are interested in. For example, I want to select all the feature that is equal to, so I'll select equal to, then click on this drop down. You will see all the feature, that is all this Greek code here. So the particular one I want to select, in this case I want to select 1, so I'll click on 1, then click on apply. This will apply and select all ones. So I can now close this page. If you look at here, all the feature whose value is equal to 1, that is the water body, has been selected, and we have about 3,680 features that has been selected. So let me close this attribute table. If you come here, you realize that all the water bodies in this very layer has been selected. So in this case, if I want to isolate the water body, after I've used select by attributes, I've selected that one, then I'll come to this layer, right click and come to data, then click on export features. Yes, it will bring this page. Then make sure you check this, use the selected records. The number of selected record is about 3,680. Then specify your output locations and then click on OK. So what that does is that only the selected feature or attribute will be extracted. Yes, it is done. If I uncheck this, you can see that only the water bodies in the area has been extracted. So you can see how to make use of select by attribute in ArcGIS Pro. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.